recurrence rate, ultimately time has proven beyond doubt that both are good. Both are excellent. Only thing is, the surgeon has to be excellent. The surgeon factor has to be there. If the surgeon is comfortable with doing TAPP, go ahead, do it. Do the best so that patient has recurrence-free repair. Similarly, if you are good in TEP, do it, carry on. So we unnecessarily created the controversy, and the public also thought that why should I go in for laparoscopic hernia repair? These surgeons are fighting among themselves. So why should I go in for laparoscopy? Let me go for the open hernia. And it took so many years for the laparoscopic hernia, TEP or TAP to establish itself. So same way my thoughts are, and I am honestly, publicly, bluntly blaming Sarfraz also, that yes, I know that you do good extraperitoneal hernia repair, you do extraperitoneal eTEP repair, eTEP TAR repair and modified TAR repair, but why are you comparing? There are school of people, there are school of patients who need IPOM plus or IPOM repair, and there are people, there are patients who require only eTEP or eTEP RS. What I mean to say is, for example, now overrating. Many surgeons have started doing the eTEP restopa for umbilical hernia of 3 cm, 4 cm. And, sorry for using these radical statements, every criminal has his own justifications. Every criminal has his own justification. These not surgeons, but these criminals, they start justifying the procedure. If I do not do in 3 cm hernia, umbilical hernia defect, how am I going to learn the eTEP RS? So patient is a guinea pig for you. You create the indication for the patient rather than patient creates the indication for the surgery. So you have modified your thoughts that I am a advanced surgeon. I am an advanced abdominal wall reconstruction surgeon, and I am going to offer you only high sounding words. Either they are Milas, or they are Stola, or they are AWR, or eTEP RS, or eTEP TAR and whatnot, then only the patients will come to me. No, I think you are highly mistaken. There are indications for both the procedures. And last meeting also, all of us know that the topic of IPOM plus was discussed in detail, and one of the speakers, the external speaker, the speaker was, and the topic was, is IPOM plus dead? The answer was no. It would. We have been practicing IPOM and IPOM plus for last 4 decades now. And all of us have known that so many cases have been done world over. How many of us, can you have the raise of fingers or raise of the hands, by how many of you had the complications of ventral hernia repair, IPOM plus, because of intraperitoneal mesh placement? How many of you? Come on, tell me if I say yes, then yes, only one person. So what I mean to say, we are blaming the procedure unnecessarily, which does not have any complications as such. So many surgeries all over the world have been done, ventral hernia, and so many meshes have been placed, so much of development has occurred, but still, if you start in the back of your mind that no, intraperitoneal mesh placement is bad, and I will not do the intraperitoneal mesh placement, even if the size is 1 cm, 10 cm, 7 cm, I will do the extraperitoneal eTEP RS repair.
I think we should be wrapping up now.
Sure, I am. So my thoughts are, every procedure has a place, and whether it is IPOM or IPOM plus, it has a place, but if the defect size is of the order of 0 to 7 cm, 6 cm, yes, IPOM plus suturing is done and one can place in a mesh. But if there, and there will be some situations, there are complex situations in which patient has had multiple surgeries, n number of surgeries, and still the hernia recurrence is there, there is a definite place for learning the eTEP RS also. So I would say, change your mindset, change your thoughts. Both the procedures have to be learned by one and all, and it should be done from the mass. One should learn from Sarfraz and other surgeons, so that you are able to do the best possible eTEP TAR, eTEP RS. Also, you should not do any harm on any of your patients, but just by trying these new procedures. So if you know the anatomy well, then definitely IPOM Plus has a place, and eTEP TAR and eTEP RS has a place for complex situations, not for simple situations. Thank you very much.